In this video I'm going to continue on what I have started with the Raspberry Pi. This is the RPi 4 with a Pi camera. This time I also connected a USB camera as well, the keyboard, the mouse and the monitor as well. The environment is VScode and I'm working with Python. In this video I'm going to show a lot of features that I have learned using OpenCV. And the upper image, it's real-time, this real-time image, while the lower image is the processed image. If I press G on the keyboard, this will turn into grayscale. If I press Y, it would go into Y UV color space. If I press H, it would go into HSV color space. If I press R, it would go from BRG to RGB. And then if I press C, it would do the canny filter for edge detection. I press Q and it will exit. I would go here, and now I'm going to show how to, I started off learning how to interface with the mouse, with the mouse clicks. Now we have the mouse there. I could press on any area in this window, and here I would have the X and Y coordinates of the mouse. I press again, and as we can see, it is changing. This leads to other capabilities now with the Raspberry Pi, again using OpenCV. Now I am going to show how to do the same thing, this time on video. That's the real-time video. The mouse is hovering over my video. I am pressing, and here again we can see that it could work as well. This will brought about determining areas over real-time video. This is real-time video from the camera now, from the USB camera up here. Let's see, where's the mouse? There it is. So let's assume that here I'm going to press and that's the two positions, mouse positions that I selected, and as we can see, a rectangle is drawn. I press the third time the left button of the mouse and it will disappear. Again, I am selecting areas on the real-time video. I press Q and everything will disappear. Now this brought about image cropping. This brought about image cropping, and again on real-time video I'm going to press two areas, 2 points, and here the image is cropped. Now we can see that is where the rectangle I have selected, or the area of the rectangle that I have selected. Pressing the third time it would disappear again. If I would like to have just my eyes, as we can see, it is just selecting the area where the rectangle is. Okay, that's the pump that I have. Now we should find, where's the other one, image processing. Now an enhancement on this. So here we have a nice problem which I don't know how to fix. Mala, where is it? That is the image processing. I need to change the number here. Let's put it 0, then Control S or file save. I will do this again, and then let's see what happens. Yes, it has selected the USB camera. Again, let me select an area, and as we can see now, we have the area that has been selected. This is the cropped image as before. This is grayscaling the image, and here we have I have cartoonized the image, the selected area that I have used there. Again, pressing the third key, it would the rectangle would disappear. Now I am just taking the area of my eyes again, as we can see, and here I have cartoonized. This is all real-time processing. One should appreciate how powerful this Raspberry Pi board is. The last thing that I have done is again image processing. This time I have done face detection. Again, we have a problem with the camera. Let's see, where is it? Face detection is this one, and I need to change this to 0. Let's put this to 0 and save again, and let's see what happens, if this works or not. Yes, now we have, as we can see, it is detecting the face. This time, even though I have done it before, I actually was using other people's code. This time I am writing my own code in Python, and I am actually learning how to do face detection as well. This is a very, again, this is in OpenCV. It's very intuitive. It is not for everybody, but comparing to other languages, it is very intuitive to learn. It is very easy to learn. Let's press Q, and that's it.